Friends, now the match between Delhi Daredevils and Kolkata Knight Riders to be played tomorrow from 20 hours in Delhi. Match begins in Scorpio Ascendant and is going to finish in Sagittarius Ascendant. One important movement that has taken place in the last 2 days is that Mercury has moved from Pisces to Aries. It has left its debilitated sign as well as degrees. Mercury is the Antardasha Lord of both Gautam Gambhir and Shah Rukh Khan. Hence, both of them should be relieved from this change. But how far tomorrow's day is going to be for Gautam Gambhir, because there are 2 parameters which don't suit him tomorrow. But these are minor parameters, but still they have a role to play. What I feel is that during this day, he may not be able to repeat his performance of the last few matches. Last 2 matches he has played exceedingly well. But this match, his performance might be considerably reduced. Maybe he might be restricted to some 15-25 runs, not more than that, or little bit here there. Coming to the charts of both the captains, Virendra Sehwag and Gautam Gambhir. First we'll take up the chart of Virendra Sehwag. In his year chart, he is under the influence of a favorable period. The day-to-day movement of planets is comparatively better for him than Gautam Gambhir, as the only thing which matters is that this Mercury movement is not favorable to him. He is under the influence of Jupiter, Saturn and Sun. All the 3 planets are currently in transit through the exalted or own sign degrees in D9 charts. This is very favorable. One thing is that till 6 May, he and both Gautam Gambhir were under the influence of somewhere Venus. Now that Venus period is over, Sun has taken over. The Sun is debilitated in Virendra Sehwag's chart and it is in friendly sign in Gautam Gambhir's chart. Saturn and Sun has never gone good together, but in this case, since Saturn is also exalted in Libra in transit chart as well as in D9 chart, and Sun is also exalted in transit chart, but in his birth chart there is one very specific thing, which is there is an exchange of Saturn and Sun, Saturn in Sun sign and Sun in Saturn signs. So what I foresee for him tomorrow is that either he is going to have an exceptionally good knock, and at the same time there has to be some unpleasant event or controversial thing happening during the course of this match. Let us see what happens. Apart from him, Nadeem, Shahbaz Nadeem, Umesh Yadav, Irfan Pathan, they are having a good day, especially Irfan Pathan, followed by Nadeem, followed by Umesh Yadav. Umesh Yadav might be good in patches, but he will be able to control. And Pawan Negi's day is good and consistent. Along with them, Naman Ojha and David Warner may be satisfactory. I am using the word satisfactory means it is of a lower level than good or well. But still it would be satisfactory, they may not be failures, they have some contributions. So in all, it happens to me, it appears to me that maybe tomorrow is going to be a match of medium to low score. High scores is not indicated, though on personal level these may be there. Coming to the chart of KKR's captain Gautam Gambhir, in his year chart again he is also under the favorable positions. In his birth chart he is under the influence of Moon, Mercury and Sun. Sun is favoring him, Mercury is favoring him, Moon is not favoring him because it is in debilitation. Amongst other players, Callis and Brendan McCallum may be average or mixed. So would be Devrata Das and Rajat Bhatia, their graph is going down. Delange may be similar. Bradley and Lakshmiratan Shukla have a good day. They can prove their contribution. Balaji might be good in patches, but there are two players who need a special mention. Those are Yusuf Pathan and Manoj Tiwari. Yusuf Pathan, though he is under the adverse influence of Rahu during the course of this IPL in the year chart, but somehow tomorrow is a day in which he can still show a substantial improvement and come back in his old form. Maybe the score may be a restricted one, not a very high, but still this should be the best day for him in this IPL to recover and prove his worth. So would be Manoj Tiwari. He can also do exceedingly well tomorrow. Sunil Narayane's draft is consistent with some improvement, so he is also there who can do worthwhile. This is all from KKR's team regarding Shah Rukh Khan. He is having a good time, but there is a slight dilution in tomorrow's time. Overall, I would come back again on this in the comment section. The viewers may kindly look the comments. I will post some comment when the final teams are announced. Thank you. Wishing them all the best.